We'll go through a dummy drill and we'll show you what they do and why they do it before they fire the gun. Basically, there's 4 people on the gun, 1 through 4 position. 1 and 2 is on front, 3 and 4 is on back. Each got a job. Okay.
Canister round, 150 yards, load!
The number 2 man's got a corkscrew-like object in his hand we call it a worm. And what he's doing, he's going back to the breech of the tube and he'll extract anything from the previous round that might still be back in there burning. Okay, number 2's man got a wet sponge, and at the same time, number 3 man has got his thumb over the vent. And what that is a compression stroke to speed any burning up of anything that's still in there. And that thump you heard when it came out, we created a vacuum inside of the tube so nothing could live, so we know that it's clear to load another round.
Clear! Round!
Powder monkey's going to run the round up.
Pass!
They put the round to the breech of the gun.
Ready!
Number 3 man's got a brass wire, and he's going to puncture that round. And he uses a brass wire because it doesn't create a spark in the gun.
Good punch!
The number 4 man's got a friction primer. It's a brass tube about this long, about 1/4 of an inch in diameter. Inside of that tube's got formulated mercury and gunpowder. And it's got a brass wire that runs down through it. When they pull that wire, it's like striking a match. It ignites the round, and the tube blows out the vent.
Fire! Boom! Reload!
I don't know, if you got any little ones, you might cover your ears. It's going to be loud today.
Round!
With the humidity in the air and the backdrop of those trees, it'll be like rolling thunder.
Plus the cloud cover will hold the sound down also.
Yeah. Wake up, buddy.
Ready! Good punch! Fire! Here's the piece!
And that's just 8 ounces of black powder.